Hey everyone! If you want to buy latest and the best folding e-bike, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest folding e-bike of this year. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product 1: Folding Electric Bike for Adults. The folding electric bike for adults is a versatile and powerful e-bike designed to cater to the needs of modern urban commuters and recreational riders. Equipped with a robust 500W motor, capable of peaking at 720W, this e-bike delivers impressive power and speed to navigate various terrains with ease. The bike features 20-inch 4.0 fat tires, providing excellent stability and traction, making it suitable for both city streets and off-road adventures. One of the key highlights of this e-bike is its 48V 10.4R removable battery, which ensures a substantial range on a single charge, making it convenient for longer rides without frequent recharging. The battery's removable design adds a layer of convenience, allowing users to charge it separately from the bike. Additionally, the bike is UL 2849 certified, ensuring it meets stringent safety standards for electric bicycles. The folding mechanism of this e-bike offers exceptional portability, allowing riders to easily fold and store the bike in compact spaces, making it an ideal choice for those with limited storage or for commuters who need to carry their bike on public transportation. The inclusion of a 7-speed gear system enhances the bike's versatility, providing a range of options for different riding conditions and preferences. Furthermore, the bike features front fork suspension, which improves ride comfort by absorbing shocks and bumps from rough surfaces. This feature, combined with the fat tires, ensures a smoother and more enjoyable riding experience. Product 2. Product name: Folding Electric Bike for Adults. The folding electric bike for adults is a versatile and powerful mode of transportation designed to meet the needs of modern commuters and recreational riders. This electric bike boasts a robust 750W motor, providing ample power to tackle various terrains and inclines with ease. The bike is equipped with a 20.8R removable battery, which offers the convenience of easy charging and the flexibility to swap batteries for extended rides. With an impressive range of over 75 miles on a single charge, it ensures long, uninterrupted journeys, making it ideal for daily commutes or weekend adventures. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its folding capability. This design aspect allows for easy storage and transportation, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space at home or for carrying in a car. The 4 to 6 hours fast charging time further enhances its practicality, ensuring that the bike is ready to go with minimal downtime. The bike is built for durability and comfort, featuring 20 by 4.0 fat tires that provide stability and a smooth ride over various surfaces, from city streets to off-road trails. The 7-speed transmission allows riders to adjust their pedaling effort and speed according to the riding conditions, whether climbing hills or cruising on flat terrain. Product 3. Product name: ANCHR Folding Electric Bike. The ANCHR Folding Electric Bike for Adults is a versatile and convenient option for urban commuters and recreational riders alike. This electric bike features a powerful 374Wh battery, enabling it to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and offering a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. The compact 14-inch wheels and foldable design make it highly portable, perfect for storing in small spaces or transporting in a car trunk. Equipped with an LCD display, the ANCHR bike provides real-time information on speed, battery level, and other essential metrics, enhancing the riding experience. The dual suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. Safety is a priority with this model, as it boasts the UL 2849 certification, confirming it meets rigorous safety standards. Product 4. Product name: Folding Electric Bike for Adults. The folding electric bike for adults is a versatile and powerful mode of transportation designed to offer convenience and efficiency for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. This particular model features a 20-inch fat tire, providing stability and traction across various terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. Its step-through design enhances accessibility, making it easy for riders to mount and dismount, which is particularly beneficial for those with limited mobility or those who prefer a more straightforward approach to getting on and off the bike. Powered by a robust 900W peak motor, this folding electric bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, ensuring a swift and enjoyable ride. The bike's substantial motor also contributes to its impressive range, allowing riders to travel up to 45 miles on a single charge. This range makes it an excellent option for daily commuting, weekend adventures, or extended trips without the constant worry of running out of battery. The dual suspension system further enhances the ride quality by absorbing shocks and vibrations from uneven surfaces, thus providing a smooth and comfortable experience regardless of the terrain. Coupled with a 7-speed transmission, riders can easily adjust the bike's performance to match their preferred speed and riding conditions, whether climbing hills or cruising on flat roads. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its folding capability. The ability to fold the bike makes it incredibly convenient for storage and transport, fitting easily into small spaces such as car trunks, closets, or under office desks. This feature is particularly advantageous for urban dwellers with limited storage space or those who need to combine cycling with other modes of transportation like trains or buses. Product 5 Winnedu 14-inch Folding Electric Bike. The Winnedu 14-inch folding electric bike for adults is a versatile and compact commuting solution designed for urban environments. Equipped with a powerful 350W motor, this electric bicycle provides ample power to assist with daily commutes, making it easier to navigate through city streets. The bike features dual shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces, while the dual disc brakes offer reliable stopping power for enhanced safety. One of the standout features of the Winnedu electric bike is its foldable design. This makes it highly convenient for city dwellers who need to store the bike in small apartments or carry it onto public transportation. The bike's lightweight and compact form factor also makes it ideal for those who need to combine cycling with other modes of travel. With a maximum range of 20 miles on a single charge, the Winnedu electric bike is suitable for short to medium distance commutes. The inclusion of pedals allows riders to extend their range or ride without electric assistance if desired. This hybrid functionality provides flexibility for various riding conditions and preferences.